Hello, so today we're going to check how we can use style components within Next.js app. Next.js comes with a lot of nice out-of-the-box tool, but not with the possibility of using style component as we do with React, where we just install it and then we're able to use it. So we need to do some extra additional steps, which are, however, not that difficult. If we go to the style component documentation, in the advanced section, we see indeed that they do tell us what to do if we want to have style components working. And they talk about a page which we need to add, which is document dash underscore document.js if we don't have one. And then they send us check the repo where they give us an example of how our application should be configured to be able to use the style components. So here I have my Next.js app is basically I just created it. So it's I'm using TypeScript. So that's why you may see some different files, but doesn't matter at the moment. And basically, I don't have anything here to make style component working. So let's go and check what I need to do. First thing first, I noticed that they have this .babel rc that I don't have in my files. So let's go and since they tell us that we need to check their example, I'm going to go and check what is different from my app. So I'm gonna go here. I'm going to create the .babel rc, and I'm literally just going to copy and paste whatever it is here. Okay. Second thing, I want to go and I want to check my JSON file, package.json, and compare it to what they have here. And as I can see it's, so I have Next, React DOM. What is missing is basically the most important thing, which is style components. So I can either just copy and paste and then run npm install, or I can install style components. So I can go here and I can just do npm install styled components. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to install the package. So it should appear here as it is. Okay, so now the package.json looks to have everything is needed to run the style component. But still, we need to do an extra step, which is what they tell us here when they tell us to add a custom pages underscore document.js, and to just copy the logic they have it in this page, which is basically this one. So I just go to pages, and since I don't have this page, I need to create it. So I go here and I just create the file, which is document. The same is document.js. So document.js, and literally I just copy and paste the logic. Okay. So now I should have everything needed to have style component working. I can try. So let's go. I can open my app, which is running at the moment on 3000. So localhost 3000. Okay, and let's create a style component and see if now everything works fine. So I can go to styles, I can have like new file, I can call it UI elements dot ts. And I'm using TypeScript. So for whoever doesn't use TypeScript, can be just JS. Actually, just to make everything easier, I'm going to use JavaScript now. And I'm going to import style from style components. And I'm going to create just this simple div, like container. Let's go this way. Const main container to style dot div. Okay, and of course I want to export this. So here I can have a background color. Right, so that is going to be very visible. And now what I want to do, I'm going to my index, and I want to maybe wrap let me wrap, or maybe I can just put it here in the main. So I can have my container, call it main container. Here, and here I just want to add an h1. Now, if everything worked, it should appear alone in this red container. And that's where it is. So I can have, I have my div, and which is coming from my style component. So it's taking the style from which I gave, which is here. And everything is basically just working as with regular React. And basically from here, you can just go ahead and you can create all your style components. It looks, more complicated than what it is. Just takes 2-3 steps, and that's what it is. Thank you for your attention, and see you next videos. Thank you.